Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. What a glorious day. What a glorious day. Gotta be happy, peeps. Wow. Almost 19,000 in my account. $6,000 profit. 47 lifetime, 48% history. Told you it was going to get up to 50%. I'm telling you, it's going to get probably to maybe even a 70%. Jesus, in a month, no longer than a month. What am I talking about? My Uphold account. Wow. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Where am I at? Where are my pictures at? That's what I wanted to look at. Da, 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 baby. Looks like we made it. Na, 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 na. Looks like we made it. Da 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 da. Oh yeah, we got to go. Whoa, hold on now. Oh, okay, 47. That's fine. 49% now. Almost $2,200 in 24 hours. Wow. This is an Uphold account in case you've never seen it. This is my all-time history. We're at 47. Actually, we're at 49% now, but whatever. 50% of my money gained. Wow. I'm so happy. My account that I wanted to have 10,000 in just for my Verbo and thing for my Vegas trip, Lord willing, we get to go on, is now at 19. Well, right at 19,000. You go, little cryptos. Wow. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And let me get over to my content. Let me get over to here. I got to build. There it is. My YouTube channel. Boy, we ain't going to be going on TikTok much longer. Never thought we'd be hearing so much about it and being bought and all this when it came out. Been on this app over 3 years, 3.5 years now. I've been live on TikTok over 3 years, January. So this month. And now they're going to take it away. I truly believe it's because they banned too many people. They're getting banned because they banned too many people improperly and illegally and always causing problems for people. They should never have banned so many people. There's a difference between me and TikTok. While I might get a little upset here or there, I'd have to block you. You'd have to be totally like cussing me out or saying, I'd let everyone stay. Love it. Looks like we made it. Da, da, da. This is awesome. I can see why people get addicted to crypto. Year-end review. Oh, whoa, why didn't they switch the name? Hold on. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, that's real funny. Why are they not I'm gonna have to change it. Whoa. That's funny. Hold on. YouTube usually grabs its name from my thing. I'm gonna have to go back and grab that. Wow. I never noticed that YouTube wasn't changing the title. Hold on. Looks like we made it. Going on. Okay, now that's the name of it. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Awesome. Now the title is correct. That was weird. It always changes it. It didn't do it the last 3 times. Son of a gun. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yay. What's up, Leisha Hurdle? My son is buying your program today. We've been waiting for you today. Good to see you. Good morning, Leisha Hurdle. I'm very happy for you and your son. I hope you also learn the system. You both can learn it. News, 8:30 unemployment. Well, thank you, but I am not trading news. I haven't even looked at the markets. I have no idea what's going on. I just looked at my uphold. Good morning, Soul Travelers. Good morning, Sniper One. Hey, Sniper One, the most important indicator ever made is named the Sniper. That's funny. What's up, Sniper One? Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? You making some money? Good morning, Ryan Marcus. Oh, Sniper One. Did you change your name to Sniper because of the indicator? That's funny. Good morning, Black Wall Street. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's take a look over here. Looks like we made it. Na 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 na. All right, what's today? What time is it? These must be morning people. Yay, your son's getting it. I don't know what your son's name is, but congratulations to you and your son. Who's been calling these things out? Thank you for asking them to go. Yes, appreciate that, D. Haas. There is news in a little bit, but I'm not playing the news. News in 5 minutes, but I am not playing the news. I'm not even going to get to the charts by then. All right. Okay, why is it, see, even my time isn't working on here. There we go. John Parker. Good morning, John. Good morning, Arginus Lunas. Hey, what's up, LD? Good morning, LD. Good morning, Mike Jones, 808. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Daniel. In the money on XLM. There you go. There you go, peeps. That's the way to fucking do it. XLM, baby. Where's it at? I don't even know where XLM's at. Hold on. I have everyone, even my meme coin is making money. Where is XLM at? 50 cents or something? Nice. Woo! Bitcoin, 99. Bitcoin's going to go to 110, peeps. Dot up 9%. Look at all this shit. Well, I got to keep saying my good mornings. Everyone, well, she hasn't bought yet. Little 1 minute blue line NAS gearing up for the buy. Thank you, John. I'll look at that in a second. Damien. Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Persistent. XRP. Woohoo. There you go. 334. Who called it, Persistent? Who's been calling XRP? Who's been telling you where it's going? Who's been calling Bitcoin? Who called XLM? Who called over 20 different, more than that, by the way, way more than that. Who's been correct on over 20 different cryptos for the last, well, be honestly, for the last 3 years, but if you guys want to know, for the last couple of months, telling you this bull run is not over. It's just getting started. Good morning, Trading Channel. Welcome. Good morning, Amos. Good morning, Leisha Hurdle. Happy Grand Rising. My son is buying your program today. We've been waiting for you today. Good to see you. Good to see you too, you and your son. Good morning, Travis. Thank you, Amos. You're a good newsman, Amos. News at 8:30. Appreciate you. Good morning, Rocket. Did you see? I have not. Someone just said it was at 334. Let me check XRP right now. 332. Yeah. $3.32. Woo, baby. Paying for my trip to Vegas and then some. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Thank you for everything you do for us. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Junie. Gold. I know gold's been making money. No one cares about US 30 NAS and SPX and gold when cryptos are making money. It's so weird to me. Good morning, Sally C. Good morning, Trading Channel. Up 4,000. Yeah, congratulations. Standing O for persistence. Good morning, Leisha Hurdle. Well, you do, sir. You did, sir. Aw, nice. Good morning, Leon. This is fantastic. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I am up. Well, I think I'm up now 50% or something on my. Well, it doesn't matter. Just thrilling. Yeah, so up 47% in about a month. It's not a bad return. Up $2,000. And this is just my little old, I don't have a lot in this account at all. This is just my account. But I do want everyone to understand this is all time earnings in my account, just so we're clear for the haters out there. This isn't, how do I word this? This is a live personal account. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my all time earnings and account, just so we're clear. This isn't maybe a week, a month. This is my all time. This is 24 hours. For those of you who are a little slow, all time 50%, well, 47%. These are my holdings that I own. Okay. This is XRP, XLM. Just now, this morning, I took this at 8:07, about 22 minutes ago. This is my DOT. This is my CLV. This is ACMR. I don't even know what these are. I don't know what CLV is. I barely heard of Polkadot. I don't know what ASM is. It doesn't matter. You don't need to know the symbol in order to make money. Ethereum, CRV. I don't know what VET is. I've heard of HBAR. Let's keep going. These are all my holdings, and every one of these is in profit and up. Doge, AIO, I don't know what that is. OXT, I don't know what that is. GRT, I don't know what that is. CSPR, I don't know what this is. Solana, I know what it is. Happy's just a cute little meme coin. I love it. Ever, don't know what that is. Luna, maybe Shiba, yep, Ape, and ADA. These are all in profit. There's over 23 of these. Every single one of these, I don't know what 80% of them are, but I'm still making money, and that's because the system is that good. Every single, well, I shouldn't say that. Every single crypto that I called that I went in and bought, I'm in the money on. I'm just saying, just so we're clear, this isn't one lucky call on Bitcoin that you hold. I was trying to, if that's the case, I was trying to buy $300 worth of Bitcoin when it was less than $1, and my CB&T bank in LaGrange, Georgia wouldn't let me do it. They said that Bitcoin was a scam. They wouldn't let me have my money, and they said Coinbase wasn't legit. Back then, Coinbase had just started, and they wouldn't let me send Coinbase $300 through a wire, I think it was. I forgot how I had to get them the money, but they wouldn't let me get the money to them. So don't give me no shit. I've been calling fucking crypto right since Bitcoin was $1. The fuck out of here. All right. Now, look at that. I told you where it's going. Let me look at XLM. This is so much fucking fun. Told you where XLM. XLM, baby. Keep doing what I said. I am not a financial advisor, but just have fun with this. Look at this. Yeah, it's going to go right up to there. Keep 63 cents, 62 cents. That is your next take profit on. I'm calling 80. But you guys at least play it to 63. See how it's going up? See how this gap is filled? Pink line coming up. Told you. Nice. Thank God and God alone for the system. Thank God for y'all being here. What a blast. Can't wait for the crypto version you mentioned the other day. Absolutely coffee and crypto. Larry Cooper. But this system trades, obviously, trades crypto 100% accurately, but I'm going to make it a little tweak here for just crypto. Leisha Hurdle, you called it, sir. Thank you, Leisha. Good morning, Leon. Nice. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Welcome for the last few days. I heard they're going to close it down a day early, but you never know. Maybe the government will admit that they don't need to close it down because Meta and all the rest of them track us every. And we're so funny. Went over to Red Note, whatever the hell the name of that one is. We're so funny as Americans. We think we're the land of the free, and then we're learning from the people over in China that they're freer than we are. Okay, maybe not that bad, but it's close. Everyone thinks America's number one in everything. Boy, you guys are going to wake up soon. Go look up we're number one in spending. I'll tell you that. We're number one in spending. That's true on healthcare. Someone go look up what number we are in longevity, how long we live per capita. Just type in how long do Americans live compared to other countries. It's called the longevity, your lifespan. You guys will have a hard. We're number one in spending on healthcare, and we're not in the top 10 countries. We're not in the top 20 countries. I'm just letting you know. Oh, this is great. What a glorious morning. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for another day of me and my beautiful wife, Bree, getting closer, being happier, making great memories together as a couple, a happy couple. We're both truly happy with each other. Thank you for that. I thank you for my relationship with my two children that are so close and so loving. I thank you for my relationship with my family and friends. And I also thank you, and I don't usually add this when I'm by myself when I pray throughout the day, but I'm adding it for you guys every morning as I do and have done for 3 years. I'm just now starting to say my prayers out loud. So besides all that gratitude, God, I thank you for having these people watch on, well, TikTok now and on YouTube and on X and on Twitch and on Facebook Live. And I pray that I can reach every one of their souls, every one of their hearts. Let their eyes be open to the truth about trading. Please let them understand when I get angry that I'm just passionate. That's not anger. That's trying to reach them at their levels where they can actually make a decision to buy the system if that's what they want, or just go ahead and take all my signals that I give out. I thank you for letting these signals be correct. I thank you for whenever I make a call out and I make it, that it actually goes up and helps these people make demo money. I thank you for all these things. In Jesus' name, I pray these, and I thank you for everything, good and bad, in my life. Amen. Now, where were we? I'll tell you. Yep. That's why it annoys me so bad when somebody said I was disingenuous. If there isn't any one more authentic trader in this world, that would be me. Good morning, Larry Cooper. I wouldn't wait for the crypto version, coffee and crypto. Good morning, Tony Plesh. I would get the system now if I were you. Yay. Looks like we made it. Da 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 da. Looks like we made it. Da 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 da. All right. Empty nester, it's my time. Oh, amen. What's up, Junie? Good morning, Techman. Oh, well, that's nice of you guys to say amen. Thank you. I don't ask that. All right. Amen. Seen and unseen. Yep. All right. Good morning to everybody, TikTok and YouTube. If anybody has any questions, speak up. If anybody has concerns, speak up. Don't be shy. Oh, I got to put the date up here. I don't know what happened with whatever. I don't care what happened with whatever kind of news today. I am just thrilled. I'm not playing any news. I will be here through the open, it looks like. Today is 1/16/25. It is Thursday. Let's like we made it. Da 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 da. How fucking awesome is this? I think we should check some cryptos and see how good they did. I don't know. You guys tell me what you want me to do. Would you guys want me to start with cryptos today? Do you want me to start whatever your guys' will is? That's what I'll do this morning. Do you want me to start with cryptos? Do you want me to start with the indices? Do you want me to start with gold? Do you want me to start with Forex? Do you want me to start with whatever? So if you want me to start with cryptos, I'll do cryptos. If you want me to start with my usuals, I'll start with my usuals. You want me to start with stocks? By the way, holy shit, hold on. All my stocks are in the money too. I told you about those stocks. Let's see. Oh, that was yesterday. Damn. SMCI up, AMD up, Verizon up, VU up, J&J. I keep telling you about J&J. Let me crypto, XRP. Let me go to J&J. So I'll listen to you guys. But I'm going to give you guys this is what this stock, it's got a little bit more to go down. Maybe. Let's see right here. Yes, it does. Just a little bit, though. Yeah, not much. If we can get this thing to go underneath on the yearly, boy, I'm going to dive in 10 feet. J&J is going to be one of those stocks that is literally, not figuratively, literally going to go up once we get to the bottom. Yeah, we're almost to the crossing of the pink. It's going to go up for 3, 6, 9, 12. It's going to go up for about a year and a half, 2 years straight or longer. That's what J&J is going to do. You're at almost the near bottom. If it dips a little bit more, don't get worried. But then this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Blah, blah, blah. Indices, cryptos. All right, you guys had your time to trade. We have Fletch, crypto, XRP, the usuals, indices, crypto wins. We're going to start with crypto. Here we go. We'll start with our usual cryptos. How about that? XRP. Let's call it. I'm already called it. I know where XRP is going. XRP, baby. Look at your 3 month. Told you, 330. Told you 330. Told you 330. And I told you 330 again. Look at it. This is exactly where I told you it was going when it was down here at 46 cents. If you'd had my system, and so many of you did, you would have made from 46 cents to 340. Now, here is a problem for you. This went exactly. Let me be clear and write this out because I don't think you guys appreciate what you're witnessing. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. This is the problem. Okay, here we go. XRP. Okay, let me make that a little larger for you guys. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. I love Shania Twain. When Shania Twain came out, wow, that was just a fun time. Now she's kind of looking a little weird the way she dresses. At any rate, XRP did exactly as I called. Went to 330. Now what? Oh, now we are fucked. What do I mean? Oh, this is so good. Looks like we made it. Da 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 da, baby. Looks like we made it. I bought it 30. Correct. When I first called it, it was 31 cents. That is correct. 10 banger. Doesn't get much better than that, Black Wall Street. Congratulations on you. That's when we were calling it, from 31 cents. But the technically, if you guys want to get technical about it, you would have called it right here. Yeah. This is your first entry on it. You'd have first got in at 2020 at around 28 cents. That would have been your entry with my system. The second time you'd have got in around 46 cents is what I called the second time. Now, what is going to happen with XRP now that I called it exactly where it was going to go? My wife made money here to here and here. Then, of course, we all just made money back up to here. So it's completed its W. Well, there's good news on that. You have an upward sloping W. This is the center line of my pink sniper, the most important indicator and accurate indicator in the history of the world ever. Never went to the top. So we have to wait for this pink line to go to the top. You see what it did over here? So until the pink line on my 3-month sniper goes to the top, buy stop XRP until this pink line hits this orange line. Is that too complicated for some of you? Take any buy stop. If you don't want to buy stop, if it's future pending order, it's very simple to do. Ask your thing anytime it pulls back in your old terminology. Okay. Looks like we made it. So, what's up, Tank Dog? What's up, Fitty? So, does every sevens, if you all understand, you take any buy stop until this pink line on the 3-month sniper, until the 3-month sniper on XRP goes up to this orange line. So, this pink line right here will go up just like it did right here. See how it came all the way to the top? It didn't here. We're on the inside of a middle of a W. This will keep going up until this happens. Buy stop, at least for the next month to 3 months minimum. Buy stop on XRP. Sevens, if I'm clear on this. Play any buy stop until it gets to this orange line, just like it did here. This pink line will come up as the next 3 months signal comes out. It was January. So it will be January, February, March. It'll be March 1st. Then I can tell you how much higher we'll go after that. This is incredible. The amount of money made is staggering for XRP. It's a 10 banger called out by the system. 10 times your money. Okay, awesome. Look at that glow. Glow, please say you made a little money on this XRP trade. All right. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Looks like we made. You guys got to add that to my. Someone made a playlist of all my songs. It was the funniest fucking thing I've ever heard or seen. I was like, what the hell? Someone did that. They made a fucking playlist. Looks like we made it. Good morning, Tony Villaboza. Buy stop. XRP. XRP did exactly. Tony knows. Tony's been in with me a while. Hey, Tony, did XRP do exactly what I said it would do? Why am I making an Italian voice for Anthony Villaboza? I don't know if he's Italian. Probably isn't. But Tony knows. A lot of you know. Get out of here. A lot of you know what I called. Looks like we made it. Let's see what this says right here, peeps. Can you guys read this? Let's take a look. This is XRP. This is our last official group buy stop at 46 cents, by the way. Here it is. I put down take profit 3, $2.56. Take profit 4, $2.90. This is on 12/17. Take profit 5, $3.30. Looks like I called it. Da 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 da. Look at Glow with his little glasses. Glow made some money. Good, Glow. You want it? Yep. There you go. Can you guys read this? Yes or no? 12/17. There was a sell stop that happened. Daily buy stop. These are my take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hit, take profit 3 hit, take profit 4 hit, take profit 5 hit. Oh, not hit. Oh, yeah. 332 was hit. Sorry. 330. There you go. There you go. 330. Who called it right? No one remembers me calling that right? Type out a yes if you guys can read this, and no if you cannot. I got to know, can you guys read this? Yes or no? I don't know. Looks like we made it. Glow says yes. Okay, if Glow can read it, all of you can read it. No offense to Glow. I'm just teasing. Looks like we made it. Okay, you people awake over there? Coach making all this big money. Thank you, Larry Cooper. Larry says, yeah. Oh, you can read that. Okay. So Take Profit 5 was hit. This is called back when everybody else is asking the question, is the bull run over on crypto? Is it over? Oh, it's over. What? People are so weird. The crypto traders really concern me. They get high too easily and they get low too easily. It's so weird to me. Okay, YouTube, you guys are about to be cut. There's 60 of you watching, and there's one person that said yes, Larry? Thank you, Sog. Oh boy, I don't really want to have to get rid of people cry when they see red when we smile. I know, right? Exactly. That's such a good statement, Larry. People cry when they see red, we smile. Because it's setting up for a better buy. Looks like we made it. Wow. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and. Should I close off YouTube? Do I really need YouTube this morning? What's up here, Piggy? Let's go, baby. Oh, did it take that long for the question to be answered? Seems awfully long. Oh, that's good stuff right there. Looks like we made it. Sorry, I had to say. Here are all the yeses, says Larry. Delay yes. Larry, you can't count all your yeses. See, senor. I like to see, senor. That works. Okay. Good morning, here, Piggy. God bless you too. Good morning, Techman. I don't ask much. I give away my free signals every morning long. Look at this. You could have made 50% on your money just on these call outs just from here. You would have made from 46 cents. What is that? 8 times? 7 times. You'd have made 700% if you'd have listened to me. 7 banger on XRP, one of the safest trades in the history of the world you would have made. Just buy the system is all I ask in return. Support what is making you money. That's all I ask. So if I'm making these correct call outs every day for you for free, save up your demo money and buy the system. Yeah, don't get me started on that here, Piggy. I used to, but you know what? I'm going to force you guys. Okay. All of you better go find Facebook and you better go find X. Because pretty soon, and I mean after the 18th, you're going to see me close down YouTube and I'm going to head over to X, for instance. So you guys are going to have to go watch me on X. Because right now, yeah, I'm not overly thrilled with your guys' response on YouTube. I'm really not. So I'll be going off of YouTube a lot. I might even do it this morning. Nuts gotta make it. Da, 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 da. I'm in a good mood, so I'll stay. Looks like we made the right call yet again and again and again. Okay, so we're all clear on XRP, right? Now, let's go from XRP to Bitcoin, baby. Gee, anyone here still has up his Bitcoin called 110? Because then I'm going to hear people saying, oh, you never called it. You never. Oh, boy. That's why I leave these two up permanently. Well, XRP is done. This is why I have XLM up, which we'll get to next. XRP did exactly what I called. Well, let's see what Bitcoin did, shall we? Oh, Bitcoin did exactly as I called. Da, 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 Dun, 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 dun. Well, I'm calling it again. I'm going to call it to 110K. Will, well, I guess the way I'm wording this, no, I'll do it like this. And we'll take this one away. Looks like we made it. No, 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 no. Bitcoin did exactly as I called. I made my first Bitcoin down here was at 26,500. This is the 3-month. I'm telling you, if you guys ever want to make correct trades in your life and never have an issue, go to the 3-month chart. Wait for the pink line go low. Make sure the green's here and make sure you're right here. You can never miss any trade. I don't care what anyone tells you. These trades, let me be clear. Everything I write down, you should all write down. Think of it as going back to school. I hate the fact that you have to go back to school, but this is where we're at now. Looks like we made it. Listen to me and listen well. Listen to me and listen fucking well. If you want to trade, looks like we made it. Da, 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 da. Looks like we made it. Okay. Now, if you want a trade, and I'll show you where it's going to go. And I can prove this, by the way. This is it. I'm probably going to even replace the Holy Grail trade with this trade, and we'll have it on all symbols. Listen to me. Take a picture of this right now. Only trade this trade on any symbol that you can find that has the 3-month pink line low down here. Okay. Has the green at the time, which we can do a play. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me get rid of this. We're going to do a playback bar. We're going to do the playback feature for Bitcoin. We're going to travel back in time. And this is what you guys are going to see. Okay, we're traveling back to when I made my first call. This is approximately April. I made my call in March. So 1 month earlier, right here is where I made my call. So I should pull it back again. All right. So when you see this exact setup in the future on any 3-month thing, and I'm going to show you one that has it like this actually, right here. And when you see it, you want to, I'm going to have to move it back one. Right here. It's a little late. Your entry would be a little late. You have to enter off the orange line right there. When you see these 3 things, Larry, when you see these 3 things, Junie, when you see these 3 things, Leisha, Patrick, Marcelo, Orlando Walters, Sniper 1, Mike Glowinski, this is the trade you guys need to hunt. When you see this setup right here, let me make no mistake about it, you need to enter. I'm going to push this in a little bit, right on the orange line right here. When you see this trade in the future, every person listening, and I'm not kidding, when you see this look like this, I'd prefer the pink line a little. This is good, though. This is all you need. When you see this in the future on any symbol, this is a buy stop. This is the safe. Now, does it on sells too? It doesn't matter. It doesn't work one way and not the other. So to be clear to you, if you want to trade that as 100% win rate, only loses if God wants it to, it's the sniper 3-month pink line trade. I challenge any other trader at any time you can come on my show. I'm not coming on yours. I have nothing proved to them. They have to prove to me they know how to trade. Any other trader that would like to go ahead and try to find one time that this does not work, you will never find a time this does not work. And we're looking at Bitcoin. We traveled back in time. When you see this trade will always work. What's up, Barani? Okay, let's type out the word yes if you guys understand that this trade on the 3-month chart always works. And I'm going to show you, I can prove to you that it does. We have a computer code program that actually trades this trade for you. And it's a free upgrade for everybody in tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3. Free as in you don't have to pay for this improvement that I made. Breen and I are giving it to you free. It's coded by the great Keith Palmer. Oh, that's good stuff right there. Looks like we made it. Da, 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 da. Now, I'm still going to have people complaining, oh, the system doesn't work. I don't know what to do. I'm telling you that this is what to do. This is training. 3 months. What time is this? Forex time. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Now, Forex time. Let me pop down here for a second and check Forex time. Let's get. Okay, got it. Let me go back up here to 3 months. What time is it in the thing? 42, so at 40 minutes. This trade does not miss. So let's go ahead and do our buy. You're supposed to, I'm going to explain how to do your entrances and stuff when you watch it now. All right. You can do your entrance on the orange lines when you should have did it. So we're a little late entering this trade. You can also do it when this thing starts to hook up. That's going to be a little late. You can also do it when this comes back up a little bit on the green. I love on the 3 months just to enter right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just tell you where to put your, let me draw this out for you. So this is going to be, I'm going to put it here even though we're not going to be able to do it. This is called your buy stop entry. Okay. Now this is what happened with this trade. It came down, pivoted, and came, well, it will come back up. We know it. This is where your stop loss goes. It's actually a good line for once. Okay. So this is called your stop loss. This is where you put your, hopefully to prevent you from losing your entire account. This is your buy stop. Okay. Then I'm going to teach you where your take profits ones are. Take profit one is going to be right where this orange thing pivots right here. So this is TP1, it's called. Okay, my writing is horrific. Take profit 2 is going to be right here, right where those little things are. Tops of your candles, take profit 2. Take profit 3 is right here. And this is called Take Profit 3. So now you have a complete setup. This is exactly, I'm teaching you exactly how to be a Bitcoin expert in the future, or any symbol in the future. This is exactly why I called out what I called out back here when I made my first ever Bitcoin call. And I said on a live back almost, right, 2 years ago, when I made my first live. That is crazy. Wow. Almost 2 years ago in March coming up, I made my first, I can't believe that much time has passed, live call to $70,000. I said it on this live. So I'm recording myself, recording it right here. I said 2 years ago when Bitcoin was at 26,500, let's look. You see right here where the call would have been, right there, 26,500. I called for Bitcoin to go over 70,000 because I knew it was going to go higher than its previous one, because there's an upward sloping W. It was going to go past this. This is your center point of your W. So I said instead of 68, 69, I just called out 70. So this is how I did that. Look, I knew that this is exactly what I just taught you is how. I knew the pink line was low. I knew this green was here. I knew that it was going to go up past our orange. I knew it was going to go past. And this is the exact same thing that just happened to XRP. It just went past its second line, center line. So take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. It hasn't done it yet on XLM. XLM will still do this. It hasn't done it yet. Is it okay? Good morning, Coach. What's up, Captain Team Carey? I haven't even done the training class yet. That's classic. Junie's already making money with the system. How can you be popped by risking 50 pips to win 5? How can you be profitable to risk? Please answer my question. There is no, Patrick, you're a little confused. This is, how can you be profitable by risking 50 pips to win 5? You know nothing about the system, Patrick Wallen. We're not risking 50 pips to win 5. As a matter of factly, our risk, he's talking about a risk reward ratio. Does this look like, let's see, does this look like I won 5 pips, everybody? Does this look like I won 5 pips on NAS, SPX? Look at gold. On gold, you might have risked, I don't even know. First of all, A, it's not a risk. You know you're going to win, so there is no risk. How about that for your answer? Does this look like I won 5? Answer the question, Patrick. Answer the question, Patrick. How do you feel about Jasmine? I'll look at it for you. No, you do not wait for the hook, persistent. You play the, I'll show you what to play on that, Pat. I just want to make sure. No, you answer my question, Patrick Wallen. Does it look like on these trades I won 5? Did I risk 50 to win 5? And don't you dare repeat yourself again, Patrick. I'll get to your question when I get to your fucking question. Am I clear? Answer the question, Patrick. Your training is not my issue. My struggle is setting and trading. Well, I can't help that. Did I make more than 5 pips? It's the opposite. Correct, Tanny B. Answer the question, Patrick. Don't get shy on me now. No, that is not the $1 million. Answer my question, Patrick Wallen. Does it look like I won more than 5 pips or less? That's 350 pips I won on US 30. That's 460 pips I won on NAS. Is that clear? Look at it go up before your very eyes on gold. That is 600 pips I made on gold so far. Answer the question. It's clearly in the rules. What's up, Cristobal Armas? See, now he asked me a direct question. How can you risk 50 to make 5? And I'm told him exactly where the buy stops and sell stops were on Bitcoin. We didn't risk 50 and we made 70,000. You would have made $90,000 a coin on Bitcoin. I'm showing you clearly that I've made more than 5 pips on this. Now answer the question, Patrick Wallen. Must not have the system right. He's trying to be a douche, and I'm calling him out on his douchiness. Patrick, you wanted me to answer your question. I'm answering your question. This is your last chance before I ban you from the channel. Here it goes, Patrick. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay. You just have yourself a nice, lovely little whatever you're going to do in your life. I'm out the door, bro. If you can't answer my questions, I'm done. Yes, the rules are clear where the take profit goes, Patrick. And you're not, okay, the minimum you're getting is a timeout. Come back and watch this later, bro. I'm trying to be as nice as I can for you. You can't answer one yes or no question, and he fucking keeps coming back with another, oh my God, he's out of his mind. Okay, Patrick, use this as a very good learning curve for you. To when I ask you something, I'm not going to ban you from my channel. I'm just going to put you in a temporary timeout. Wow. What? Yes, it is clear, Patrick. What did I just teach you 5 seconds ago on where to put your buy stop and sell stops? We have training videos all throughout the Discord. We have a fucking training video room, Patrick. All right, I'm going to put him in a 30-minute timeout. See you, bro. Wow. Okay, let's get back to explaining. Why is he saying I'm not showing him where it is, where I literally drew on here? Hold on, Patrick. Wow, this guy's a fucking... Some people are just slower than others. Look, Patrick, I'm teaching you right now where your take profits are. This is on a 3-month Bitcoin. I literally said, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, where to put your buy stop entry, where to put your stop loss. What are you talking about? Patrick. Wow. Hi, what's your Discord and Facebook? The Discord is only open to the people who purchase. It's not open to the public. You can go ahead and go to my Facebook, though. Matter of fact, I need all of you to go. Matter of fact, this is what's going to happen. If I don't get everybody over to Facebook and I get 100 followers on Facebook, I'm never coming live again on YouTube until I do. I'm going to give you guys to the end of January. If I don't have 100 followers on my Facebook page by the end of January, I'm not coming back on live on YouTube. I'm only going to go live on X. And that's not a threat. That's a fucking promise. I don't care. I'm actually 59 followers. I've never asked you until 2 days ago. So that's why I'm giving you guys the month. But I need everyone to go over to Facebook and follow. I just need to get to 100 followers. That's it. It's no big deal. I got to send out a thing on the Discord for that. Okay. I know, no, not a lot of you have Facebook. I know that, Builder Vegas. I'm so sorry. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Solace Soul. You're welcome, Solace Soul. Solace has been with me, what fucking Solace? You got to have been at least with me for 2.5 years now. Has to be. Solace has been with me fucking forever. Oh. I know a lot of you don't have Facebook. Oh, well, but I'm still going to use it. So because TikTok's going down, I have to get Facebook going. Clear 7s if you understand to go over to safetytrade.com and just follow me. I don't care if you fucking do anything with me. Just follow me on Facebook. That's all. All right. Now, Maybe my sloppy handwriting is throwing off Patrick. But how can, just follow. Thank you, Junie. Thank you, Orlando Walters. Oh, got it. Thanks. Pumpkin Rats. You're welcome. And I'll be live on Facebook here by the end of January. We'll have it up and running. I just never cared about Facebook, but now because TikTok going down there, I got to have it as a backup. We are live on X also for you, whoever that was. Yes, over 2 years now. I thought so. Pumpkin Rats, we're also on X, and that's what I'll be for sure all the time. Okay. So now, maybe I need to type out my thing so you can see it clearly. We already have sevens. Okay. Yes is if you understand that this is the setup. Now, again, I'm looking at that. That does look pretty sloppy. But I'm teaching you. Okay. Add to where to put stop loss, take profits, entries in rules. I'm going to put this video in rules. Okay. So we're going to add it to Typeform because Patrick evidently is incapable of seeing. Follow. Thank you, Brian Flores. Appreciate you, sir. So yes. So you guys, I mean, yeah, my handwriting is sloppy. Okay. Let me do a solid here because Patrick obviously he probably can't read my writing or something. I know I'm sloppy. I can't spell and I'm sloppy. Okay. So let me be clear. This will be for Patrick. Okay. He's saying the rules aren't clear. Okay, Patrick, here's the fucking rules making it clear to you. Okay. Here you go, Pat. This will be forever known as the Patrick rule. This is where your entry is, and we're a little late on it. When you see this setup, you don't have to have the sniper. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on the 3 months. I'm going to do it on a different time frame too. Watch. When you see this setup on the 3 month, it will always win. You will always enter on the orange line. Am I clear that you enter on the orange line? Yes or no? And this is called the buy stop. And if this is not clear to you, Patrick, you're mentally challenged and you need to get help, okay? Because I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to be factual. This is your buy stop. This is where you put it in. I'm going to show you on non-3 month, but I'm showing you on this 3 month trade exactly where to put your buy stop in. Am I clear? I don't know. Type in, do a search and put in the safety trade. How do you find you on Facebook? I don't know. I'll try to get a link and then send that. Basil. Let's see. I got to get my youngest child, Basil. Get link for Facebook to the Patty rule. Well, I mean, you got to do what you got to do to email and Discord. Okay. All right. So everyone, you have to understand for the 3 month entry, you enter off the orange line. That's in English. And this is, let me type out buy stop. A buy stop is a future pending order. If you don't know how to do one, Patrick, you got to fucking ask your own fucking thing. God. Okay. That's where to put your entry. Now Patrick's asking where to put your stop loss. And in this case, your pivot point stop loss would come here. And then you would cross like this. So it's going to go down below. Oopsie, hold on. Down, but that's not a bad one. And this is called your stop loss. Okay. Why are you risking? He's so weird. It's the complete opposite of what he says. See, when people are beginners and they're lost, they're just confused. All right. This is where your stop loss goes, Patrick. Okay. Now, can it be any clearer? Sevens, if you understand, this is where your stop loss goes. Sevens, if you understand, this is where your buy stop goes. For a 3 month only trade, you do not need the sniper, but I would only trade with the sniper on the 3 month. The sniper is an additional $250 a month to my system. If you don't want to pay it, don't get it. It's the most important indicator in the history of the world ever made. It works every time. This is a flawless trade. It can never miss. We're looking at Bitcoin. I'm showing you why I made this exact call out right here back almost 2 years ago when I said at 26,500 that it would go over to 70,000. I'm teaching you exactly how to do that. So we're all clear now. Even Patrick can understand this, right? Right, Patrick, when he comes back from his little timeout from being a naughty child. Look, this is it. Now, let me be clear. Take profit one is wherever this little orange hook is. Sometimes it doesn't have it. Most of the time it does. So if your entry was on the bottom of the orange, your first take profit one is here. So this is called Patrick take. And the rule says don't be a greedy pig, Patrick. Don't be fucking with me. I swear to God, these people. It's probably the fucking husband of the dingbat that I've been talking to, as a guess. All right, look. Could it be any clearer? Sevens, if you guys understand. Yes, Brian Flores. I don't know why people have such a hard time with that, Brian, or let me be specific, Patrick. This is your take profit one, right off the little orange line thingy right there, okay? Take profit one. This is your entrance off the orange. This is your take profit one off the orange. This is your stop loss at the pivot point. It's clearly stated in the rules. The take profit rules in the it tells you how many pips to look for, and it tells you don't be a greedy pig, Patrick. The fuck it doesn't. Now, your buy stop entry, I give you exactly when to get into your buy. These people are so fucking full of shit. I can't stand fucking liars. I can't stand it. This is exactly what it says in the rules, exactly what it says in rules, but I'm writing it out for you. So this is take profit one. When you see this setup on a 3-month, this doesn't get any better than this trade. And I can prove to you for a fact that it has a 100% win rate and over 80 different symbols because I checked 80 different symbols, and I will show you how we read it. Market open. I'm not playing it in 10 minutes. All right. Take profit two. This is where I would put take profit two. It's going to be right here where you see this little conglomeration of your, I'm not going to use the word support and resistance, but you just see a lot of this shit right in the same spot. So this will be your take profit two. So I'm just going to mark it again. We're just going to skim the top. And I'm going to call this take profit two because it is. Take profit three. It's always at the very top. This is, if you guys can't see this, and some of you can't see this, and I understand it because it's a little different looking for you. Okay. Take profit three. This is at the very top. And if you can't see what I'm trading right here, this little M right here, this goes up and down, up and down. There's an M inside of here. Let me show you. This is actually a 3-month, watch. It comes down, it came up, it came down, it came up, it came down, and it's going to come up. So what you're playing is, this is the center line of your W. This is your break, your center break line. So we're playing it off of here. Now, a lot of you, especially experienced traders, I don't usually get into this part of it with you, but this is what you're playing. Watch. Let me show you again. This is your 3-month watch. It comes up, comes down. They always form an M in the middle of these. Then it comes down, and then it comes up. So this is nothing more than an upward sloping W and a hard one. That's why it's going to go so high. And this is your center line right here, and this is your take three profit line. I was able to call it to go over 70,000 over almost 2 years ago right here now, when it was at 26,005 over to go over 70,000 because it always goes over the center line of the W. What's up, Menike? I can't wait for you to buy the system too. You should have made enough money to buy it now, Menike, but that's okay whenever you get to it. All right. So am I clear? Not on that last part. That's a little trickier. But take profit one. where the orange line is. Take profit 2 is where it kind of all gathers together. I'm not using the word. Take profit 3 is at the very tip of the center of the W. And I'll show you again on different symbols. This has just happened to what we've been trading. And now we're going to do our buy on Bitcoin. Okay. We're going to do our buy on Bitcoin. I hope that is... What's up, Darklight? I'm showing you how to exactly trade a trade. Oopsie. Hold on. I'm fucking around hitting the wrong thing. There we go. How to trade Bitcoin 3 months. We went back in time. We just did a purchase. I explained exactly where to put your buy stop in. I told you exactly where to put your stop loss in. I told you exactly everything. And now we're going to watch this trade. We're a little late entry. That's the only thing I don't like about it. We should have already been in this trade. You get in the trade at the orange line. Okay, so we're getting in the trade about $4,000 too late. And then we're going to play it back. And then I'm going to go out with take profits and such. We're going to have to speed this sucker up. All right. What's going on? Hold. Why is it not... No, it's not working. Hold on. Let me redo the playback select bar thingy. Hold on. Let's get... We make it. So let's go back to here now, and let's see if we can get it to catch. I don't know why that didn't start. Let's go. We make it. We're looking at Bitcoin 3 month. Maybe it can't play back a 3 month. I don't know. We'll see. Looks like we made it. We're looking, yeah, I don't know if the playback feature works good on 3 months. It might not. We're going to wait for price action to come up and touch this orange line again for Patrick, who evidently is a little bit slow. I'll repeat it again and again for him. When it hits that orange line, we will enter this trade. Nope, almost. We're waiting for the pink line to be low. There's the green histogram above. Nope. Aha, now, buy. Now let's see if we can get this thing to actually work. I don't know. Maybe it can't work. Maybe I have too many. I don't know what the issue is. Let's see something here. There we go. Okay. Now it's working. Okay. Now we're in the trade. Remember, take profit 1 is going to be right here when it hits this orange, and it hasn't done it yet. Take profit 2 is when it's going to hit that little conglomeration thing, which I refuse to say. And take profit 3 is when it's up here. So we're just going to play this back again. And here's your money. Just keep watching this right here. Giving you multiple times to enter in. Take profit 1 is hit. Take profit 2 is hit. You can leave the trade at this point. Take profit 3 is hit. And that's it. And that's all you need to know. The rest of this now is going to form a hold. See how the pink line now has risen? See? Going up. You do not wait for the pink line to hook. Just getting it off your 30-minute. Fill in the gap is done. We're losing. We can't see everything. Market open a few minutes. I'm not trading it. Congratulations. 100%. Don't worry about how much money you made or did not make. Doesn't matter. All you want to worry about, did the trade win or not? That's it. And this is what we made. 100% win rate. That's all that matters. Don't worry about the dollars trading. Now, how do we set up things that are not 3 month? This is for a 3 month buy stop. Never fails. You should guys hunt those. Oh, let me show you something, by the way. Looks like we made it. Da, da, da. When people can't answer my questions directly after they ask me a direct question, I answered it for them. That's when you get yourself blocked. Let me be clear. And I don't care who you are, you will be blocked. Now, let me show you something. This is J&J. This is Johnson & Johnson. I just taught you on Bitcoin. Look, this was Bitcoin back then. Pink line low, green, right? This is Johnson & Johnson. Does everybody see what I'm pointing out with Johnson & Johnson? Yes or no? Does everybody see what I'm pointing out with Johnson & Johnson? Yes or no? Let's take a look. Let's go right into here. Let's focus you in. This is exactly what I'm teaching you to look for. Junie, the money will come. Kelly John, what's up, Kelly John? Yes or no, you can see the exact same setup that I told you to take a picture on 3-month Bitcoin back in March of 2023. The exact same thing is happening. Market open, don't care in a minute. I don't care. I'm not playing market open. By the way, I have buy stop, long-term buy stops on US 30 NAS and gold open. So I will tell you that. So if it goes shooting up, I'll let you know. So this is Johnson & Johnson, a stock that is showing the exact same 3-month, even better technically, 3-month buy stop. So I'm going to show you how to play this trade. This is Johnson & Johnson, 3-month. This trade will then pay out for the next 1.5, 2 years, 3 years. Okay. So let's go down. I'm going to show you exactly how to trade this Johnson & Johnson stock. Technically, I would just get the fuck in it, but you guys, I'll show you. All right. So here we go. This is the exact same thing I just taught you on Bitcoin 3-month. I'm going to teach you. This is a live trade, Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Market open, market open. Yeah, you're in the money on your buys, by the way. You can take that money and run if you like. Feel free. All right. So this is how I'm reading this. I'm going to put an alert right here. Okay. We're going to add an alert on Johnson & Johnson. We're going to say J&J buy stop demo, get in here. Okay. So this is going to be my alert. I set one up. Buy stop entry. If you're aggressive, 148.96. If you're not aggressive, 153.58. Buy stop. If you're real aggressive like me, just get in the fucking thing now. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you feel like doing. All right. So those are your entries. You can get in at the orange line. You can get in. Now, this is what I would prefer to have happen. Things keep going down. This orange line goes down below the red. Oh, if you can type out the number 7. If we can get this orange line to go below the red and the yellow, oh my God, on Johnson & Johnson 3 months, we are going to make so much fucking money. I will call this trade out every day for 2 years if it does this. Okay. So that's all we're looking for. Now, is it a huge issue to go from there to there? 142 to 132. If you're willing to eat $10 a share, well, you're going to risk so much. $10 a share on $150, $140 stock is jack fucking shit, Patrick. Am I clear? These people, I get rid of one hater and I get another hater in here that can't read rules, that can't watch videos. Patrick, you're like worse than a fucking child. God almighty. And don't come on here not answering the question after I answered your question. You can't answer the question directly and not expect to be called out. Now, if he came on here and said, oh, yeah, where do I put it? I don't understand. Please help me. I'm a little lost. Oh, yes, I see where you put that at. He wouldn't be in where he's in now, but now he's in the doghouse. And until he comes back on and apologizes for him way he went on asking his questions, he's going to stay in the doghouse. Am I clear, Patrick? All he has to do is, oops, sorry about that, my bad, and be like, no big deal. And I won't bring it up again. Jiminy Christmas. All right. This is a 3-month. I gave you why I made my call, how I made my call on Bitcoin over almost 2 years ago at 26,500. I am now calling out live J&J, Johnson & Johnson. I'm telling you what I want to look for. I'm telling you where to put your buy stop in. I'm telling you what I prefer to have happen, which is the orange line go below here. But that's, boy, we're asking for a lot on that one. That is a lot on that one. Okay. She wrote out the word 7. I love that, Taraya. All right, look. Now, let me get rid of this line so that we can have some better. I don't want to get rid of too much. Okay. Now, your entrance, your buy stop line will go right. Oh, too thick. Hold on. We'll go right. And I don't want to use orange either. Right here. Okay. And this is called your buy stop. Now, I personally, I don't have a problem eating 10 pips on this particular trade. I don't even care if it goes down $10. I don't care if it goes down $20. I don't have a problem eating that. I really don't. Matters not to me. I'm perfectly fine. But for those of you want exact, I would do that and just wait right there. Now, if this is going to be where my entrance is, then we have to take some educated guesses here. And that means it's somewhere around here. It's going to hook, come back up, cross this. Okay, so we're going to put our stop loss down here. Why do you risk to make 5 pips and you risk 50? Oh, because it's the opposite. And that is not what we're doing at all. People in their mental weirdness. So if you want me to do it from here to here, let me show you what more realistically it looked like right here if it flipped and came back up. This is where you would put your stop loss. Okay. And then, by the way, this is an unlosable trade. I don't understand. If I'm teaching you a trade that never loses in over 80 symbols, where does it matter where you put your stop loss, Patrick? It's not going to lose, Patrick. Why does it matter where you put your stop loss, Patrick? I'm teaching you a trade with a 99 point. Fuck that. I'm teaching you a trade because God blessed me with a system with a 100% win rate that has never fallen, ever. Never failed. DCA down and wait for correct. Easy. Thank you, Bandit Trader. He has no concept about leverage or what he's doing with his account. God almighty. All right. Now, 7s if we're all clear. You're welcome, Casey. Good morning, Casey. 7s if we're all clear, where to put your stop loss, where to put your buy stop. And now what are we going to do? I'm going to show you where to put your take profits at. Okay, take profit 1 is going to be, see how nicely this little, and the orange line is going to dip even further. So this is going to be your take at this time. This is going to change in the future. Price keeps going down. Rule number 7, you have to bring it down. You have to bring all this down with you as price goes down. That's all I can tell you. Okay. Now look, right here where this little orange thing is, I would go right below that, but right here. This is take profit 1. Take profit 1. This right here, and this is a little different because they're kind of equal. I would go right underneath this. That's right there. This is take profit 2, and this is going to be take profit 3 right up here. So let's go and write those in. Take profit 2, and then this is going to be your take profit 3. Now, depending on how this looks, and I can go over this with you, I can tell you how much higher this is going to go, because what we're going to do, take any 30 This is where the power comes into the system. You don't understand the compounding of what I'm. Take any 30-minute buy stop until pink line goes to orange. Okay, so let me be clear on this. You're not just going to enter this trade once. Pay attention to what I'm telling you. Listen to what I'm telling. This is a secret that I usually I'll start teaching it now. This is usually only given in training class. What you're going to do is take not just this one entry, not just this one take profit, two take profit, and three take profit. You're going to enter this trade as long as this pink line hasn't come all the way. See how it came up to the top here? As soon as it gets above 85%, quit taking them. But over the next year and a half, you're probably going to have upwards of 50 to 100 30-minute buy stops as this pink line on the sniper goes up. And you'll see the space fill in, by the way, the green histogram bar will go up, fill the space, touch this yellow. This will happen, whether I'm alive, you're alive, if there's any internet or not. This will go up this will close the gap over the next 2 years, let's say. It'll be done. This trade will be up over my take profit 3 in that period of time. This is it. So this pink line, you will take hundreds of buy stops on the way up, not just one entry. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Please type out the word yes if you understand that you can enter the trade here once, and then you can enter the trade here 50, 100 times over the next 2 years as it goes up. You're going to have all kinds of 30-minute buy stops as this goes up. This pink line, just like it did here, up, and this is an upward sloping W. This will go so far, Johnson & Johnson will be so far above 186, it's a joke. I'm going to go ahead and call out 200 now on Johnson & Johnson. 200 in Johnson & Johnson is at 140, right? So we're going to risk, at this point of where the trade is, we're going to risk $10 a share, and we're going to make 60 or more. And I'm going to go ahead and say it's going to be way more. We're risking $10 a share to make $100 a share. So this is a 10-to-1 risk reward ratio, which doesn't even matter. This trade never will miss. You will make money. But for the Patricks of the world, who has yet to come back on and apologize. So when Patrick comes back on and apologize, I will quit using his name. If you have balls enough to try to be a dumbass on my live, you better have balls enough and thick enough skin to go ahead and get yourself smashed. I'm not playing. Do not come on my lives. If you come on my live, say, hey, Kev, where do I put the buy stop again? Where's the sell stop? Don't come on here saying it's not in the rules. It is. Don't come on here saying you don't answer my question after I answer your question. And lucky I didn't ban your ass this morning, Patrick. You did, Pip Hunter. Okay, so now this is really, really important. You guys have to understand what I'm telling you now. Listen, as this pink line rises, you will re-enter this exact looking trade, but on the 30-minute. And you will then have 50 trades going to this orange line. You'll have 60 trades going to take profit 2. You'll have 100 trades going to take profit 3. Is that clicking into anybody who's mind blown? So you're not just trading a 3-month trade. You're not just entering a 3-month trade one time. You're entering the 3-month trade 20, 30, 40, 50 times as the pink line rises up. If you guys are understanding what I'm telling you, you have an infinite money glitch for real. I know people use that term a lot, but the reality is you do. This is incredible. The compounding effect of a 3-month trade is so important that I put it in my Discord signal room for free to everybody in tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. I gave you, unless God wants it to lose trade. Orlando Walter says he's getting it. Okay, because there should be some mind-blowing knowledge. I don't think you appreciate what's being taught to you at this moment in time. You're not just trading a 3-month trade. You're going to be trading 50 3-month trades on the way up, all of which cannot lose. Let me go back to this example that we teach our children. Watch. We come over to here. Weekly flow. I'm telling you, LD, you might want to up this to the 3 months, by the way. The daily direction, weekly direction, the 3 months direction, the flow going up. You don't want to take these negative trades that creating our buy stops. You want to follow the flow of this river as we teach, as LD teaches 8 and 12-year-olds. If you can redo this, LD, I would appreciate it to go on and add the 3-month on here, because the 3-month controls the weekly, it controls the daily, it controls all the lower time frames. The 3-month is the master controller. Now, if we can get a 6-month, 12-month, but oh my God, don't even get me started on that wet dream. It doesn't happen but once every fucking decade or whatever. So we're going to use our 3-month as the master controller. So as this flow goes, right? As this flow is going, this is the way you want to trade with the flow. So when we go back to J&J, we look right here. This is our flow. This pink line coming up right here is our flow. So watch. Let me show you something. I'm going to show you this. I don't usually do this, but I'll start doing it again. Whatever. I'll try to help everybody, even though you're not in my training class. Watch. I don't even know if we can go back this far. See, we cannot. We can't even go back that far. Wow. TradingView is a horror show. Yep, 30 minutes. All right, let's try this then. Can we go back 2 hours? Okay. So now this is 2 hours. You would then take any buy stop. I can't go back to 30 minutes because they don't have enough. You can then take any fill in the gap, any sniper entry buy stop on 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. This is a 30-minute fill in the gap to the blue line, 30-minute fill in the gap. These trades cannot lose. Listen to me. They cannot lose because they're following this previous pink line up. See the pink line rising, see price going up with it. You see this? So the pink line rises, telling you beforehand when you're at the bottom, you should take 30-minute entries. But I'm just showing you, look, this is the pink line coming up. Every one of these 2 hours trades will make money. Every one of the 1 hours trade will make money. Every one of the 4-hour buy stops will make money. As this pink line rises up, these smaller buy stops make you money. So not only can you do 30 minutes, but you can do 3-minute buy stops on the way up. You can do 1-minute buy stops on the way up. You can do all these different buy stops. You can literally have hundreds of trades open. You can do 30-second buy stops on the way up. You can do, as long as this is your 3 month is your, see how it's happening with J&J right now. Enter the trade in on a daily, on a 4-hour, on a 2-hour, on a 1 hour. Look, this is something forming right here. It looks, oh my God, it's going down. It's going down. No, it isn't. Look, it's going down. It's just forming for us a better buy stop. Look, it goes right up. Ding, 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 up, up, up. As long as it's rising against that little line, pink line, you can't miss the trade. It can't go down, but it goes down. Look, it's going down. No, it's not. It's just creating a better buy stop for us on our 3 month. See it go back up? Isn't this wild? So now you guys will understand. I doubt what is his name? Patrick will. He doesn't understand the fact that this cannot lose. When this is coming up, you can't lose on a buy stop. You cannot lose on a buy stop. Am I clear? You cannot lose. Can't lose, can't lose, can't lose. Look at numbers. Imagine how many 1-minute buy stops there was as price action came up on J&J this last time. Hundreds, if not thousands of 1 minutes. What's up, Linda Brown? You're going to want to watch this. Yes, it is compounding, Larry Cooper. So are you saying trade in the weekly daily or on long time. What am I saying? What's up, Marcus Mike Jones? I'm telling you that the 3-month controls the weekly controls the daily, and all three of those control every other time frame. You will only do, if in this case for Johnson & Johnson, you would only take buy stops. Marcus, got it 100%. Okay. Thanks for this training. I needed it, Jennifer Fowler. Yep, you're welcome, Jennifer. The lower time frame forms a weekly daily, and I'm telling you it forms a weekly daily 3 months. Correct, Larry? So this should be very eye-opening for a lot of you. Understand when this pink line on Johnson & Johnson, just like I showed you on Bitcoin, watch, as this pink line comes up, you're going to price come back up over your take profit 1, over your take profit 2, over your take profit 3, and it's going to go way past it. And how do you know what to play? Play any buy stop until the 3-month pink line comes all the way to the top. It's as simple as that. That's all you need to do. Everyone out there even screws up my system. I have no idea how you do it. I don't know how you can possibly screw up a flawless system, but some of you still do. So when this pink line right here comes back up to the top, take any 1 second through weekly buy stop until it comes back all the way to the top again, until this gap's filled in. This is Johnson & Johnson. Remember this call out. Bob Ooten, if you're listening to this later on, write this. Kevin Grego called out Johnson & Johnson buy stop. It's going to dip. I need it to dip a little further, but it's close enough for argument's sake. If it goes below the red line, dude, we're going to be really happy with this. Now, this is your worst case scenario. Let's say we put our buy stop up here and price action only goes straight down like this. Well, I'll flip it to a sell and we'll make all kinds of money on a sell, but it won't. But if it does and it never goes up and engages, you never engage. You never lose any money. You can only gain money with my system. That's why I always say that. You can never, well, I mean, you can lose money if you're an idiot and don't follow the rules. But if you follow my rules, you should never lose with the system. You'll either not engage the trade or you'll make money. All right. Nice. Is this getting through to a lot of you? Yes or no? I hope it is. Okay, I had to get that done. Good morning, Joe Biggie. What's up, Casey? I'm joining you when I can afford. Casey, take your time. I've been on here for 3 years now. Take your time and just go ahead and listen to my calls and make, okay? And go ahead and make your money and then pay for it that way. I pray you can get your money set up quickly so that you can get in there. But I give you these calls for free, Casey. So I don't want to put any financial burden on you. Just take my calls. Make your money. I do it every day. Well, Lord willing, every day for free. Larry Cooper. Oh, thank you. That's high praise from you. Patrick Wallen's back without getting put under the rug. Uh-oh. Let's see what Patrick's talking about. So you were saying trade. Yep, correct. Compounding, correct. Thanks for this training. I need it. You're welcome, Jennifer. What's up, Kev? Without getting put under the rug. What's up, Patrick? Crazy persistence said. Today you have officially confirmed I know what I'm doing. Started demo trading since Monday. I'm 5 for 5 on trades. Been following since November. Nice, persistent. Yeah, most people take a few months. Most people brains pop when they see my style of trading. Okay. Now, let's get rid of all this. Now, we're looking at Johnson & Johnson live. You will see this go up to those take profits I specifically told you. You will see your entrance where I told you. I still feel it just needs, I would prefer it to come below the red right here, but I don't always get what I want, or maybe touch the red maybe, but whatever. Am I willing to eat $10 a share for my stop loss right now to be able to make 60 to 100? Yes, I am. Private user. How is Patrick in the UK doing? I do not know. What's up, Leisha Hurdle? Patrick in the UK. Now, Patrick in America had some family issues, so he's no longer with us. I don't know Patrick in the UK, though. I don't remember. Maybe my wife would. This is a gorgeous buy stop. Now, let's be clearer. Should you have already done Johnson & Johnson? Yeah. You should have been in Johnson & Johnson if you'd had my system. Well, definitely, I don't know. Somewhere, first time would have been somewhere around here. You should have been in Johnson & Johnson. It was at $4.74 with my system. Then you could have got in again right here when it was at $10 with my system, and so on. So yes, Johnson & Johnson, you're a little late, but we can still make money with it. Now, can we go to the 6 months? Let's see if they have enough history. Yes, they do. This is a fantastic trade. Now, this is the only issue I see. See right here? We don't have the yearly down to where it needs to be. You should have bought this right here at $58 a share. So we need a little, that's what I'm talking about. See, we need a little further pullback on Johnson & Johnson. I don't know if we'll get it to go. 136 would sure be nice on Johnson & Johnson. 125 would be nice for Johnson & Johnson as a buy stop. Yeah, let's write this out for you guys so you guys can see this. Let's change this to yellow. Let's make it big so you guys are not opaque so you guys can see it. And let's go ahead and 3-hour sell stop, 3-month buy stop. I called this on 12/29. Notice the words. Love the 3-month buy stop on 1/7. I called it again. This is not just this. So this is now officially turned into something else. This is 1/15/25 demo only. J&J. Okay, this is officially. I love this 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Just love it. I mean, I can't say this is, that little song, love it, I love it, whatever that is. I love this trade. It will take months to develop. Take profits will take years to develop. I don't care. Still love it. I mean, this is just the way it is. This is a perfect trade for anybody that wants to trade a little longer term. Take any and all 5-minute and up buy stops until 3-month sniper pink line hits orange line. I'm trading you guys pink line to orange line. Nope, I'm not a real trader. Never want to be, never will be, never pretend to be, not going to be. I'm not a real trader. I'm not a real trader. Am I clear? I'm not a real trader. That's for the psychos out there in the world. All right. Oh boy, here's some messages. Can you show entrant? Yes, I will. I'm going to go there right next. So that's a very good question. Good morning, Stacy Ochuzo. I am really enjoying the sniper rifle. It helps me to see better. Doesn't it work great, Linda? I'm so glad. Yay. Linda Brown being helped by the sniper rifle. I'm fairly new to the room. I mostly day trade. Would the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute be the frames that I should be concentrating on? If you're day trading, you can concentrate on anything basically 1 hour and under. Don't worry, we trade 5 second, 10 seconds. So I promise you, Alan Bailey, that you will be happy with the system. I'm going to show you some smaller time frames right now. Okay, I thought he was in the game. No, Patrick was in Cleveland, Ohio. Now we have tons of Patricks on here, but I'm assuming you mean the one Patrick. The pink line sniper is your guide and shepherd. It will guide you through the valleys. Exactly, Bandit Trader. Exactly. Good morning, Moses. You missed some exceptionally good training this morning. I would strongly recommend you rewatch it. Now, if I have enough time, which I think I do, we're going to go ahead and look at we have about 25 more minutes. So let's go look at a faster time frame and see how it trades. Okay. I'm just going to bip around here. We showed you Bitcoin, and I told you where Bitcoin's going. I went over XRP and XLM, told you where it's going. Then we flipped over to Johnson & Johnson. 30 seconds. Okay, nope. I'm just going to find a random thing here. I just want to look around and pop one out. Let's go to Amazon. All right, let's go to Amazon. Amazon is a 12-month buy, is a 6-month buy, is a 3-month buy. Never not buy Amazon. Can I be clear? So here's a 10-second. Let me go down to a 10-second and see what's going on down here. We have a little sell stop going. Yes, we do. We have a 15-second. Yes, we do. 30-second. Yes, we do. 1 minute. Yes, we sell stop Amazon to the 1 minute blue line. I would not take that. I just told you never take sells, but that's what it is. All right. So here you go. This is a 10, 15 minute. Normally speaking, to answer that guy's question, you want to trade. There is no question asked, Patrick. Patrick, you're about to get yourself banned. Okay. If you speak up one more time, you've never answered me once, Patrick. You are about to be taken out, brother. Kevin, answer the question. There is no question you asked, Patrick. You are being blocked, evidently, by trying to ask us, Alan Bailey. 15-minute is a very good time frame for you to trade on. I would trade under that. I'd probably trade on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, because you can do so much with those. Yay, I'm so glad that helped you. All right, so this is for Patrick to show you. There is no question being asked because you're trying to ask something that's being blocked by YouTube, which means you're being a douche. Reword your question or email it into me so that I can see it. Kev, I'm trying to figure out where I'm failing with the system. Please answer my query. There is no question. If you speak up again, you're going to need to email in your question, Patrick. I'm going to help you as best I can. Do not repeat yourself again. Oh, thank you, Kelly John. So Patrick Whelan has his own YouTube channel. Patrick Whelan has his own YouTube channel. Patrick, you have your own trading channel. Is that correct? We have lots of people who have their own trading channel. That's okay. Ronnie says he packed you. Well, if he's asking the same question as he did before, yes, he was directly answered. You have people telling you exactly what to do, Patrick. So it's okay if you have your own YouTube channel, Patrick, but if you're trying to come on here and get some kind of clout, you're going to fail amazingly. That's so good. Thank you so much, Kelly John. Laugh my ass off. I have my members tracking you all. That's so funny. Thank you so much. Oh my God, that's too funny. But again, anyone that any other type of trader wants to come on, I'm here to help you, but you have to answer questions back. If I'm asking you something, answer it, yes or no. That's so much. Thank you, Kelly. K. John. You had my back, brother. Appreciate you. Kelly's so smart. He know. That's funny. Oh, okay. Where were we? Yeah, I can. If YouTube blocks your questions, I can't answer them. If you repeat yourself, you will be banned from my channel. I don't play that game. Okay. But the rules are the rules, and the rules are extremely specific on what to do. Looks like there's some nice buy stops forming. All right. So where are we at? We're trying. I don't know if I have enough time. I'll do my best. We're at a 10-minute buy. Let me see. Almost a 15-minute buy. So this is Amazon. Okay. It has I forgot, 1 minute sell to the blue line or something, whatever it's doing. Yeah. You're in the money. The 1 minute sell to the blue line is hit. Well, close enough. This is a very, 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 that was an easy sell stop to the blue line. So, all right. So this is a sell stop, Amazon. We're going to see this hit. Sorry. When it opens in just a little bit. Oh, no, it is open. It has to be moving. What the fuck's it doing? Oh, it is moving. It did hit. My bad. Fuck. All right. So, yeah, this hit. Easy peasy. Now, what's going to happen after this? See, we don't have our blue line low yet either. Maybe not the best example for a buy, but I'm trying to reach it so that one guy that wanted to trade a faster time frame. Okay, here. I know what I can do. Let me go way down to a faster time frame. He might not like it this fast down here, though. Let me see something. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Where are we at? 5 second, 10 second, 15 second. Nope. Damn, they're all below. 1 minute. Let me see if NAS SPX is also below. Hold on. Yep. Let me see if US 30 is below. Yep. Damn, everything's below. Ugh. So US 30. NAS. I might have to go back in time to show you guys. I want to try to get a live one for you. This was just happened, the sell stop right here. Damn. Where can I go to show you guys the quickest way? It's too hard. You got to find one that's happening right at the moment. This is a nice little buy. What is this? XRP, 5 minute buy stop. Are you kidding me? XRP, 5 minute buy stop. Here it goes. It's going to go up right before your very eyes. Oh, is it to the 15-second blue line? Hold on. It's already passed. It's already passed. Can we get to the 10-second? Yes. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. You're going to see price action go up and touch the blue line. Damn, I called it before it did it. Damn, there it is. See it go up? There you go. Okay. So the fellow who wanted to trade faster time frames, damn, that was quick. That was going to go up before I get it. That's a 10-second buy stop to the blue line on XRP. Okay, so let me go ahead and see if I can catch it on XLM or something. No, we have a sell. We have a 10-second sell to the blue line in XLM. Let me see what Bitcoin's doing around here. Okay, let me see if we can go down to the one. Yes, we play 1 second. 5 seconds. Yeah. This has to drop down. No, this isn't a good example, but eventually Bitcoin's going to go up to its 5-second blue line. Oh, look, it's flipping down. Let me see if we can play this down too. 1 second, 5 second buy stop. This pink's going to hook down. It's going to come back up to the blue. And I don't like that this isn't filled in the gap or anything, but eventually it's going to see how it's going up before your very eyes, by the way. So it's going to go up, see it going up before your very eyes. Okay, so that's there. But let me see something up here. Yeah, it's pulling back up to come back down to the 5-minute blue line. There you go. Let me see if we hit our 5 second yet. See it going up. So this is just a short-term 5-second buy stop. It's not anything long at this point on Bitcoin. But I would play any buy stop you can find on Bitcoin now because it's starting to flip, right? It's starting to go down to the 3 minute. It's going to go to the 5 minute. By the way, if you had the sniper rifle, Linda, make sure that this 15 second would have called this 30-second sell for you. See, price action is going to hook. You're going to see it come down. You're going to see this pink line come down. Then you're going to see the pink line come up, and you'll see price action go up above that again. But anyway, you'll see this little gap right here, this space, the green space to the yellow, and it's going to go in. You're going to see purple line hook. You're going to see the pink line come back up. It's going to cross right here. This will fill in the gap and go in. Okay. Kev, thank you. I'll be sending you an email. Blessings. You're welcome, Patrick. Gold Weekly, fill in the gap, Brian Flores. Sure. See, it's pulling down. Told you. It's got to pull down. This will cross. This will come back up. And then price action will go up. Take profit 1 on the orange line. Take profit 2 above here. Take profit 3 will be up there at the 5 second. See? There you go. All right. Now let's go over to gold for a quick second. Remind me to come back. There it goes. See? Let me go back to gold though, and I'll come right back. It's Bitcoin, right? See. Told you pink was going to cross the purple, goes up. There's your fill in the gap. There's your take profit 1, take profit 2 done. That trade is done. It's what I showed you on the 6 months that will take, the 3 month that will take years to do. You just saw it happen here on the 5 second. Yes, you see me taking the 5 second. Thank you, Linda. I'm glad you got that. Let me check out gold now for you. Did everyone see me just trade that 5 second live for you? Who was the guy that asked that question? Who was the guy? Thank you all for speaking up, trying to help Patrick. What is Patrick saying tis for? Oh my God. Well, you need to learn how to please write a nicely worded email, Patrick. I don't want to have to shred you. You see it doing it over and over again as it's going to the 5 second Bitcoin. Does everybody see this call and how I'm making a 5 second trade? Who is the person that asked this? Yes, Alan Bailey. Alan Bailey, if you're still here. So it works. You should trade on the 5 minute, 3 minute. You can trade on the 50. Usually the 15 minutes where you could trade at, but I would trade at these, not on a 5 second level. I would not trade here. Does everyone see me? Yeah, thank you. It was Alan. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Larry. I'm glad you got it, Kev. Thank you. I'll be saying, okay, cool. And notice that Patrick still didn't say he has his own trading channel. That is a concern for me, Patrick. I don't care if you have one. We have tons of people that are traders that use my system and have their own following. I don't have a problem with that, but I do have a problem if you're not going to be upfront and disclose that's what you do. Make sure you say, look at it doing it again and again and again. Are you guys watching this before? I called the 5 second Bitcoin buy here. I told you it was going to happen here. I told you it was going to go above take profit 1, take profit 2. It did. I told you it was going to do it again. There it goes. Is anyone watching this Bitcoin 5 second? Go ahead and whoever the little lady who says I'm not a real trader is, I'm glad I'm not a fucking real trader. Okay. This is a 5 second trade. This is happening at 1 hour and 51 minute mark. This is for training. I'm calling this out for training. You guys are watching me call out as I talk to 20 of you. I got it. No thanks, no doubt. I mean, who else out here? And this is why I think some people get offended. Oh, Kevin, you think you're the only one that can trade in the world. Nope. I think I'm the only one that trades live 1 second and 5 second charts in the world. Yep. Do I think other traders make money? Yep. Do I think other traders make money by doing scammy volume, taking a tick here or there trade? Yep. Do I think this is forming a full-on 5-second buy stop to the blue line? Yep. Will pink cross blue and this turn back to green on the way back up? Yep. If it doesn't, do I care? Nope. Put your buy stop up here and you wait. If it goes back up, great. If it doesn't, what a hell of a run we just had on this live. Look at that 5-second trade. Look at it. Called it out here, told you what to do here. Does it over and over and over again. You'll see this turn back to green. You'll see price action go above here. Take profit one will be orange line here. So this is how you would read this trade. If it does it, take profit one, 98,194. If it does it, take profit two, 98,272. If it does it, take profit three, 98,344. Take profit four, 98,454. Why am I saying if it does it? Because you can clearly see it's headed down to its 3-minute blue line. All it did was hook up. I think it's going to hook up a little bit more. All it did was hook up. Watch, I'll show you what it's doing. It's forming our It's forming our ricochet. It hooked up and now it's going to come back down. And now this is going to turn into a 3-minute. You see right here. Watch. This is what we're looking at, the sniper rifle. And then the 3-minute will fall. So what you're now is take profit one. I'd already hit it. Take profit two, 97,849. Take profit three, 97,607. Take profit four, 97,366. So all it was doing was forming a very short-term buy and to form this 3-minute sell. You're going to see this 3-minute sell flip and go to red now. So I just showed you a 5-second buy. And now I'm showing you a 3-minute sell back down to the blue line. All it did was a ricochet. And that's where it's heading. Now, will this stay below here for the next 13 seconds? We'll sit here and wait. Can it still go up and form the 5-second buy stop? Absolutely. But will it engage? No. Did this hit take profit one? Yes. Watch. There it is. You see that flip to red? You see that flip to red. So you can play these really short little buys. You can play these little longer term sells. You can just take any buy stop you can on Bitcoin. That's what I would do. Thank you, Larry, for, yes, it never fails. All right. Now, where else next? Someone asked something about gold. I'm so sorry. What was asked about gold? I don't know, but I would only play a buy. Oh, it was a weekly fill in the gap? Yeah. That's what he was asking. It was a week. I don't know who asked that. I'm sorry. And I'm going to have to go after this explanation. I got to go. It was a weekly fill in the gap, but it's a daily buy. Now, here's something that'll blow all your haters' minds. Look, this is what's inside of here. This red right here fits inside of the gap that was called out by one of my members. See that? It is so fucking cool. See this pink line being low on the weekly? This is your blue line being low on the weekly. I'm telling you, when this blue line goes up, look, you already hit your take profit one. Here's your take profit two been hit. This will be take profit three. This will be take profit four on gold. This will fill in. This green will go up and fill in. You're going to see this pink line rise. We literally played, let me be clear on this. We literally played all year long right here. This lasted for months. This is in February. Then in June and July, it did it again. It lasted for months. And now gold is doing it again. This will last for months. Play any buy stop on gold. Let me be clear on this. Play any buy stop on gold, okay, until the sniper's pink line weekly touches its orange line. You can enter gold hundreds of times over the next several months. This is in February. This is in June, July, August, and it's doing it again live now. I wouldn't play any sells on gold as it forms these. I would play the buys. Can you do the indices next, Techman? Got to run. Larry, you too, my friend. Thank you for watching, Larry. All right, I got to go. Also, I'll do the indices. I don't even know if I'll be back on today, Techman. I'm sorry. Let me take a look real quick for Techman. He's such a nice person. All right, let's see real quick. Sevens, if you guys understand, gold is a buy stop until the next unforeseeable future. We have a daily buy on US 30. We have a daily buy. We have a 12-hour buy on SPX, on NAS. We have a daily buy on a 12-hour buy on SPX. So SPX, 12-hour buy, NAS, 12-hour buy, US 30 daily buy. Now, does that mean that it are not going down to the 3-minute blue line? Let's look. You can see if you have do you have the sniper? You need to get the sniper, Techman. Look right here. You can clearly see, that's not clearly, and nor can you see it. You can clearly see right here that we're flipping. You can clearly see that it's been flipped here, and then we're waiting for this 3-minute. So short term, play any sell stop to the 3-minute blue line on SPX. Short term, play any sell stop to the 3-minute blue line on NAS. I wouldn't play these. I would only look for buys, but you do whatever you guys want. And on US 30, same thing, to the 3-minute blue line. I would only play the buy stops that form. So that's how I'm reading the indices really quick. Okay. I love how the one guy, Patrick, comes on in here, tries to be a douche, gets called out for having his own trading channel, doesn't answer any of my questions. All of you stood up for me and the system, and I appreciate that. It's not that I can't do it myself, but TikTok used to ban me. But I guess TikTok's got a lot of bigger bans to worry about, don't they? All right. All right. See you guys on TikTok. God bless. Heading over to YouTube just for a minute. Remember, life is short. Enjoy every moment you can. Appreciate your loved ones. Do for those who do for you. I'm telling you. Okay, got to go. That's my alarm. Got to go. All right, talk to y'all later. YouTubers, any questions before I go? And they need to be quick, super quick questions. If not, thank you all for being here. God bless you all. Hope it helps you. I hope this training helped you. You're welcome. God bless you, Orlando. You're welcome, Techman. All right. God bless you all. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you later. Well, that was a nice, even douchebag Patrick. That was still a nice little training for him. I hope they got it. Where's that end thing at?